Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best cheap drone available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the Velcase Drone. The standout feature of this drone is undoubtedly the 1080p HD camera. With its adjustable angle, you can easily capture high-quality aerial photos and videos from different perspectives. The camera is paired with FPV technology, allowing you to see a live feed directly from the drone on your smartphone. This means you can explore distant landscapes or capture those unforgettable moments from the sky in real time. One of the things I love about this drone is how compact and portable it is. The drone's foldable design means that it's small enough to toss into the carrying case and take it with me wherever I go. Whether I'm traveling or just heading out for a quick flight in the park, I don't have to worry about carrying a bulky device. The carrying case that comes with it is also a thoughtful addition, making it easy to store and protect the drone when not in use. At number 2 is the Hiturbo Drone. One of the standout features of the Hiturbo Drone is the 1080p camera, which delivers crisp, clear video and photos. What I love most is the ability to adjust the camera to capture both the front view and look directly downward. This comes in handy when I'm flying above or around things I want to capture, whether it's a shot of my backyard, a skateboarding session with friends, or simply flying over hard-to-reach areas like rooftops. The quality of the footage is impressive for a drone at this price point. The Hiturbo Drone can be controlled through either a remote control or a smartphone app, giving you the flexibility to choose what works best for you. For basic flying, the remote control is straightforward and responsive. However, when I want to capture videos or images, I connect the drone to my phone via Wi-Fi and use the Hiturbo FPV app. This allows me to see what the camera sees in real time through first-person view. At number 3 on our list is the DEAC Q9S. One of the first things that impressed me about the DEAC Q9S was its camera. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera, this drone offers excellent image quality that's perfect for capturing high-resolution photos and videos. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced drone pilot, the camera delivers clear and sharp shots, making it an ideal option for documenting your flights or capturing breathtaking aerial views. When it comes to drones, flight performance is key, and the DEAC Q9S doesn't disappoint. The drone is powered by brushless motors, which offer a significant advantage over brushed motors commonly found in similar products. These motors are more durable, provide excellent wind resistance, and deliver a quieter, more powerful flight experience. Moving up at number 4 is the HASAKEE Q9s Drones. One of the first things that caught my attention with the Q9S drone was its amazing LED lights. The bright neon green and blue lights illuminate the entire frame, making it a stunning sight both during the day and especially at night. These lights not only add a cool visual effect, but also make the drone highly visible, which is essential when flying it outdoors in low light. One of my favorite features of the Q9S is the double flight time. The drone comes with 2 500 mAh UL certified batteries, which means you get more time in the air without worrying about constant recharging. This was especially helpful when my kids were flying it. They didn't have to stop every few minutes for a recharge and could enjoy extended sessions of fun. The extra battery gives you a total of around 16 minutes of flight time, which is great for keeping the excitement going. At number 5 is the TizzyToy Drone. One of the standout features of the TizzyToy Drone is the 4K camera. As someone who loves capturing high-quality footage, I was impressed with the clarity and detail that the 4K resolution offers. The camera comes with a 120-degree wide-angle lens that can be manually adjusted to 110 degrees for an even broader field of view. Whether you're filming landscapes or close-ups, the quality is exceptional. The TizzyToy Drone is powered by a brushless motor, which, in my experience, makes a huge difference. Unlike brushed motors, which tend to wear down over time, brushless motors offer greater durability and efficiency. The fan blades achieve higher speeds, which translates to smoother, faster flight. If you're someone who loves taking their drone on the go, you'll appreciate the convenience of the TizzyToy Drone's carrying case. The case is well designed to store the drone, its controller, and all the accessories, making it ideal for outdoor travel. So, that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.